Hey guys, Clay at Mallard Motors here. I'm on the $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you $100 in cash if we're unable to get your credit approved. What we're looking at here is a 2009 model GMC Yukon Denali, black in color. This one has the 6.2 liter V8 and it's rear wheel drive. Got the chrome plated grille, fog lights on the front. Got some aftermarket headlights that are new on there. They're kind of the shaded, darker color. Looks good on the black. Got 3 rows of seats. Chrome trim on the side of the body, chrome door handles, roof rack on top, fixed running boards on both sides. A little bit of tread on the tires, and then you've got 20-inch chrome plated wheels. New tail lights on the back as well. Got a towing package on there. And you've got the automatic lift gate on the back. A little bit of storage right there, and you can also lay this 3rd row of seats down if you needed some more room, and just push this button to close it. Ooh, almost dropped my phone there. We got remote start. I'll show you how that works. Come on now. There we go. So, lock it here. We got black leather interior. Captain's chairs on the 2nd row, and you've got a bench seat on the 3rd row. Got some climate controls for the back end. You've also got heated seats for the 2nd row, and you've got your own radio for the 2nd row also. You got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors. You've got heated seats right there in the front 2 seats, and you've also got programmable seat memory, power adjustable seats, even got a sunroof up there. Power adjustable steering wheel right here on the side. Okay, stick the keys in there. Alright, we got 224,000 miles, cruise control on the steering wheel, and some controls for the radio. You also have heated steering wheel right there. Got a touchscreen aftermarket stereo there that does have Bluetooth, so you can hook your phone up for music or hands-free calling. Dual climate control for the front. Power adjustable pedals for the front. If you think you might be interested in this one, give me a call. I'd be happy to get you more information about it. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.